Back here, I'm braising carrots. I took 2 pounds of rainbow carrots. Try and keep the lighter colors together, the yellow, orange, and white carrots. The purple ones tend to bleed and it'll discolor, so use those for salads. So shallots, a little bit of stock, braise the carrots till they're tender. Then you're gonna turn their heat way down and add honey to add a little sweetness and let the liquid cook away so they lightly caramelize the carrot. And then we're going to serve the carrots for texture with some of the lovely carrot tops, finely chopped with some parsley and some toasted almonds. For our carrots, remember we glaze them with a little bit of honey. So this is just honey, butter, and a little bit of shallot. We finish those off with toasted almond. And our carrot tops and a little parsley. So that's done.